Okay, Skateland charges $50 flat fee for birthday party rental and $5.50 for each person attending. Joanne has no more than $100 spent at the birthday party. Write an inequality to describe Joanne's situation. Okay, so first off, kind of like to have this pop up here. It's a great little thing to help out. Greater than, the key word might be more than, which means it cannot equal it. That's why it's greater than with no equal to sign. Less than would indicate the word like less than sometimes. And less than or equal to might mean the words no more than. Greater than or equal to might be at least, meaning those can be part of the solution and the number can be part of the solution. So here we have one that says no more than, so that indicates to me that this is going to be a less than or equal to instead of a y equals. So I like to kind of write this as a deal. Now what I like here is it tells me the y-intercept, in a sense, that's a flat fee right there. Flat fee indicates that it's a starting point. It's going to cost her $50, just kind of since to rent the thing. So that is, in a sense, my y-intercept. You can say 0.50. Or if you're writing the formula, usually think of y equals mx plus b. Because we see the word no more than, we know it's going to be what? Y less than or equal to. I need to find the x and the y-intercept. The y-intercept happens to be 50. So now all I have to find is the slope, and here's what I love. The party rentals, what? If you see the word each, that's a good indication that that's my rate of change or slope. So this would be $5.50. $5.50 extra for each person that comes. So that would be how you would write this as an equation. If you wanted to solve, what I would do then is, actually this would be a, I would minus 50 to each side. So negative 50 is less than or equal to, oh, wait a minute, I messed up. Messed up. Should be 100 there. I mean the equation, because they have no more than what? Actually I have that wrong. I have this all wrong. Woo-wee! Glad I kind of caught this here. The 100 can't be less than 100, so the 550x plus 50. See, even teachers make mistakes, so it's okay. But how come I knew it was wrong? I was going to get an answer here where these numbers were larger than 100, so like, wait a minute, she only has $100 to spend. That told me I was doing it wrong, so I could put this over here. No more than, I have to be less than 100. That's where I should have started, less than that. So now when I minus the 50, I have 550x less than or equal to 50, which I'm now going to divide each of these by 550. All right, here's where the calculator comes in super handy. I have one over here just off screen. So I'm just going to go here and do, because I don't want to do that myself. Get kind of older. And I end up with x equals 9.09. They can't have 0.09 people, so basically she can have anywhere up to 9 people join her party. Okay? Didn't have to solve for this particular equation, but I wanted to go ahead and do it. And notice it was easy to make a mistake. So think about that. Think about, I was going to work it, but I realized my final answer was not going to be correct. And it let me think about what it is, just use some logic.